If you've been afraid to start investing because you think you need millions of naira or you are scared of losing your money, then this video is for you. A lot of Nigerians keep their money in savings accounts that are quietly losing value because of what? Inflation. But what if I told you there are investment options where you can start small, grow your money steadily, and choose investment based on your risk level? So today I'm breaking down ARM mutual funds in a simple way for beginners, the low risk, the medium risk, and the high growth options, so you can understand where your money should go depending on your goals. So welcome to Money Mindset with Ima, the channel that teaches you that money starts with mindset. So I am Immaculata, your money chick boss, a certified financial advisor with over 8 years of experience that is ready to build with you until you attain your financial goal. I'm always ready to be with you until you attain your financial goal. So on this channel, we break down investing, smart money decisions, and wealth building strategies that works here in our country, Nigeria. So if this is what you like, then hit the subscribe button and then turn your bell notifications so you never miss an important money update from us. Now, let's talk about one thing many beginners struggle with. Where exactly should I invest my money? This is one of the things that many beginners struggle with because not every investment is meant for everybody. So that is why you need to know this. You see, before we get into the ARM mutual fund specifically, let me explain what mutual funds are. A mutual fund is when different people contribute money together and professional fund managers invest that money into different assets like the treasury bills, bonds, stocks, and other financial instruments. So instead of trying to figure out the market by yourself, professionals manage that investment for you. You don't need to do anything. All you do is just transfer money to them, open account with them, and they manage your money. They know where to put it. You see, this makes mutual funds one of the easiest ways for beginners to start investing in Nigeria. And one thing I personally like is that many of these funds allow you to start with small amounts. Yes. So let's start with the ARM Money Market Fund. You see, from the image you're seeing now, the annualized yield is about 17.38%, and it's categorized as what? Conservative. This means it is designed for people who want low risk and stable returns. That is what that means. So now, listen carefully here. This is usually best for beginners. If you are a beginner, this is the best investment you can, subscribe to. If you need emergency fund, this is your investment. If you need short-term savings, this is your investment. If you know you are afraid of losing money, this is your investment. If you're a salary earner and you want to save gradually, this is your investment. Money market funds typically is invested in treasury bills, fixed deposit, and other short-term instruments. The returns may not be, very high, but the risk level is lower compared to what aggressive investment. So if you're just starting your investment journey, this is one of the safest places to begin. So begin with money market fund. The next one is the ARM aggressive growth fund. This one has a year-to-date return of 46.90%. Now, this is significantly higher. But remember this, higher return usually comes with what? Higher risk. This fund is for people who want long-term growth, also people who can tolerate market fluctuations, people who are willing to take more risk, and also people who want exposure to equities or stocks. So this is not the kind of investment you panic over every time the market moves. This is not that kind of investment for aggressive growth. So aggressive funds can grow strongly over time, but they can also experience temporary drop because it is invested in stocks. So this is most suitable for what? Long-term investors who understand patience. If you know you want to invest for 5 years, 10 years, go for aggressive growth. Then we also have the ARM fixed income fund with an annualized yield of about 11.45%. This fund is usually invested in government bonds and fixed income securities. So compare this to money market funds. It has slightly different risk and also return characteristics. You can see it there. This can work for people who want predictable income. If you want a particular interest to be paid to you at every month or quarterly, go for this. If you want medium level risk investment, this is for you. If you are planning for medium term goals, like maybe school fees, also rent, if you want to pay your rent, you can plan for this. If you want a business capital, you can plan for this one. Then the next one is the short-term bond fund. This has an annualized yield of about 14.26%. This sits somewhere between safety and moderate growth. So this can be useful for what? Investors who want better returns than normal savings. If you want better return than normal savings, go for this short-term bond. People who don't want excessive risk, want short to medium term financial goals, you can go for this. One important thing that beginners must understand is this: different funds solve different financial problems. The next one we have is Discovery Balance Fund with about 32.78% year-to-date return. The balance fund combines both fixed income and equity. That is why it is called balance fund. So instead of being fully aggressive or fully conservative, it balances both worlds. That is why it is called balance fund. This is good for people who want growth. If you want your money to grow, you go for this. People who still want some stability, you want stability in your investment, go for this. If you are a moderate risk investor, you go for this. This is usually a good middle ground for many young professionals. They go for this investment. Now let me say something very important here. Do not invest just because you saw high return. If you go through the fact sheet and you see high return, don't just rush into investing like that. Many people enter investment emotionally without even understanding. They'll say, "Ah, no, this one is giving higher rates, let's go there." Many people enter investment emotionally without understanding, number one, their risk tolerance, also their financial goals, their investment timeline, and that is where mistakes happen. Yes, that is where mistake happens. The best investment is not always the highest paying investment. You need to know this. The best investment is the one that matches what? Your financial goals. That one that matches your financial goals is the best investment for you to go. So, and also you need to remember that past performance does not always guarantee future return. So if you saw a growth the record, it doesn't mean that that is how it will continue in the future. Return can change based on what the market condition. So this is why financial education is extremely important before investing. Don't just jump and invest. You need education. You need to know before putting your money in. So if you want me to compare ARM mutual funds with other asset management companies in Nigeria, like the Stanbic IBTC, Cowrywise, Meristem, Chapel Hill Demhan, and others, then you have to drop on the comment part 2. Just type part 2 on the comment section. Then I will do that. So, and if you are confused about which investment fits your current income level, then send me a DM or comment below so that we can take it from there. Also, if you truly want to learn how investing works in Nigeria step by step, then join my WhatsApp investment community, where I teach how to start investing with little money, how mutual funds work, Nigerian stock investing, smart saving strategies, how to avoid investment mistakes and scams. You see, the link is on the description. So click the link and join the WhatsApp group. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to start investing wisely in Nigeria. Remember this: money has a mindset. So think smart, act wisely, and grow your wealth always. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.